Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing couch deep clean, living room deep clean and bathroom deep clean. So let's get to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my couch at home with baking soda. So I started the video by showing you everything I used. I used my powder soap, Ariel, baking soda, you have to have that at home, fabric softener, I used Downy fabric softener, lavender. You're also going to need a brush and a sponge, and the last thing you're going to need is a rag. So I cleaned my couch a while ago before I even had Milan, so my coats are really dirty, especially the ones I've shown you, the grey ones. They are really dirty. The other couches that I have are black, so you know, black you can't see when they're dirty or not, but for the grey ones, as you've seen, my coats are really dirty. So I started by mixing everything. I added some water to my bucket, the blue bucket that you can see right now. I added some baking soda, and then I added my powder soap, Ariel. I used Ariel like I've said in the beginning of the video. So all you're going to do is to first use your brush. You're going to dip your brush in your bucket. You're going to give it a little shake to remove the excess water that is in your brush, and then you're going to use it to scrub your couch. You are going to go again with your sponge. You are going to dip your sponge in the water, give it a little shake, not making sure you don't make your couch so wet. You're going to use it again to scrub your couch. So for this part I speeded that up, but I hope you've seen what I did. The videos were really long, that's why I speeded it up. So after I go with the first water, I'm going to pour it out, and then I'm going to pour another water like you're seeing right now. I'm going to pour the water on my bucket again. After rinsing my bucket, I'm going to go with my fabric softener for the second time now. I'm also going to put a little of my baking soda, and then I'm going to like rinse my couch, something like that. So I'm going to go with my sponge again. I'm going to just clean it up really well, and then all I did was to mop. I was doing this while I'm mopping, cleaning my floor, something like that. And you have to do this on a hard ground, you guys. You have to remove your carpet. Make sure you remove your carpets and all that when you are cleaning your couch. So for my pillow covers, I just used the rag that I shown you in the beginning of the video to wipe them, because I just washed them a while ago, so they are still clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean my black coats. So for my black coats, I didn't use a brush on them because they have a material that fades, something like that, and like the white spots that you can see right now, that's how it turns when you use a brush on them. So for the black coats, I just used my rag to clean them. So moving on, I'm also going to clean my walls. So before we move on, when was the last time you cleaned your couch? You tell me in the comment section below. I'm also going to clean my walls. My walls are really dirty. So for the walls, I just added my powder soap and water, and then I used my rag to clean the walls, especially the walls around where your sockets are and all that stuff. Close to your door, they always they are always dirty. I'm also going to clean my chandeliers. So for the chandeliers I'm going to clean them. They are dusty and all that stuff. I'm also going to clean my doors and my windows. So right now, like I've said, I'm going to be working with the living room. I speeded everything up so our video doesn't have to be long. So you tell me, when was the last time you cleaned your window, like washed your doors and cleaned your windows, wiped your walls and all that stuff? So you tell me, after you wipe your walls, the change is really big. It's like you just moved in. My walls were so clean, I felt like I just moved in the apartment. So you try that and tell me in the comment section below. So right now all I'm doing is just to wipe the walls again with a dry rag, and I'm going to be wiping the windows with a dry rags, and I just finished that and my windows are so clean. So right now I'm going to be showing you, this is the arrangement that I did with the coats. So if you have the chance to put your coats and sun dry them, then it's great for you, but I don't have the chance for that. I can't carry my coats up. I'm sorry, I meant I didn't have the chance to dry my coats. So as you can see, this is the arrangement I did for the pillows and the covers. I'm just going to think of a way to sun dry them, and then for the coats I'm just going to leave them indoors because I can't take them at the rooftop to sun dry them, something like that. And it also began to rain all of a sudden. It's rainy season and something like that. You don't know when it's going to rain and when it's not going to rain. So for the coats I left them inside to dry. So when you're cleaning your coats, you have to make sure that you don't use so much water to make your coats soggy. I hope you can understand what I mean by that. So right now I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be clearing my laundry. I soaked some of my clothes and I have not washed them yet. And yes, I soaked my clothes in the bathroom. So from the bathroom I have, it's really tiny. So I'm going to be clearing the laundry first before I clean the bathroom and the walls and the doors and everything else. So I'll leave you to watch me and I'll be right back. So for the laundry, I still don't have a washing machine, so I always just do hand washing. And this laundry is for a week. The clothes are so many, especially Milan's clothes. There are really many since Milan's still pees on the bed and all that. So I always just do 2 washes. I wash my clothes twice and then I rinse them 4 times. And for the fabric softener that I always use to rinse my clothes is just the Downy that I've shown you in the beginning of the video. So for the washing of the clothes, I always just use my Ariel powder. I don't mix it with any bar soap. If I use a bar soap, it's always a bar soap. If I use powder soap, is always powder soap. So I don't mix powder soap and bar soap, something like that. I use one of them at a time. I'm going to be cleaning everything up, my mats, my shoes, my basins. I'm going to clean everything up. So as you've seen, I've just finished clearing my laundry and everything else. I also washed my doormat and all that stuff. I also cleaned the shoes and the clothes and everything else. So right now I'm showing you the sink we are going to be working with, the wall we are going to be working with. I'm also going to clean the doors. I love to clean my doors when I'm doing deep cleans. So for the bathroom, I'm going to scrub the floors. So right now I'm going to start by cleaning the walls. I'm going to be wiping my walls. So for this, I always just use water and my powder soap. I'm also going to be cleaning my mirror right there that I have right there. I'm going to be cleaning the sink really well as shown in the video, wiping the walls to make sure they're clean. I'm going to be wiping the doors and all that stuff. So right now I'm inside my bathroom. As you can see, I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom walls. I'm going to be organizing it, and everything else I'm going to be cleaning the soap dishes and making sure my bathroom is clean. So I'll leave it to watch me and I'll be right back. So for the toilet, I always use that Hess toilet cleaner. It's perfumed and all that stuff, so I love it really well. I always also use my Harpic. It's also a toilet cleaner. And for the toilet to disinfect it, I'm just going to add some water to that container I have right there. I'm going to add some Dettol to it, and then I'm going to wipe it really well to disinfect it. So right now I'm showing you everything. Our toilet is clean, the walls are clean, and everything is clean. The doors are clean, and as you can see, there's a big difference in my walls. It looks really bright and I love it. So I'm going to turn off the lights, and then I'm going to show you the laundry that we've been working with. So I did 3 buckets. I also washed the potties, I washed the mats, I washed my rugs and everything else. So for the coats, you're just going to give them a little time to dry. Right now I'm showing you my living room. The walls are clean, the couches are clean, and everything else. I also changed my carpet. See you in my next video. Bye.